Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with Experian Security Freeze, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Experian website. Locate the Security Freeze option on the home page. Click on the Security Freeze link to proceed. You will be directed to a page with detailed information about security freezes. Read through the information to understand what a security freeze entails. Look for the Place a Security Freeze button. Click on this button to start the verification process. You will need to provide your personal information. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Ensure that the information you enter is accurate. Follow the prompts on the screen to fill in your details. After completing the form, submit your information. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your request is being processed. Next, check your email for further instructions from Experian. You may receive a verification code to confirm your identity. If prompted, enter the verification code on the website. Once your identity is verified, you will be given options to manage your security freeze. Choose whether to place, lift, or permanently remove your freeze. Follow the prompts for your chosen option. Keep a record of any confirmation numbers provided during the process. This information will be helpful for any future requests. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation of the action taken. Review all details to ensure everything is correct. Your security freeze is now in place, protecting your credit information. For any questions, consult the Experian support page for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.